Hello and welcome back to my YouTube live stream of the day for gold trading. This is me. You're old, not old, kind of, yeah. Uh, I hope everyone's doing fine. Everyone's good. Everyone's everyone's doing good, 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 good. Okay, so let's get into the charts of daily. What happened daily? We had a L day yesterday, so today I hope so we're gonna make a W day today, and let's see what happens. And we have a support somewhere over here for the daily 4 hours. 4 hours we have a support. Okay, we are going from the support. Okay, we can look for buys now because we are rejecting from a support and the 4 hour just started and we're going up now. So we can expect for to push up because we are just on the support. We rejected from support and now we are just going up. We will just wait for this candle to create a lower wick and then we'll start pushing up. On 4 hour time frame, we are having uh, what do you say? Yeah, we are having this support and this resistance over here for 4 hours. 1 hour, let's jump into the 1 hour. We are doing our analysis based on what we had yesterday. Yeah, we had this on 1 hour, 4 hour this. Yeah, this is 1 hour support as well. So 30 minute, 30 minute, 30. Okay, 30 minute we have resistance somewhere over here. Support we have over here. Yes. Okay. Stop doing that. Oh, sorry. Stop doing. Yeah, we have support somewhere over here. We are rejecting from the support, and on 30 minutes, this is our rejection. Okay, and this is our support. Okay, this is our support down here. And on 15 minute, let's see what's happening on 15 minute. Yeah, we have a resistance on 15 minute, and we have a bad market structure on 15 minute for the sells, but we have a clean range for buys, and we were expecting to go for buys. We have almost 100 pips if we close above, and we'll try to capture as much as we can. And one current viewers, okay. I've changed my camera today because that camera was not bright enough, so I changed my camera today. And yeah, so yeah. Oh hi, hi anyone who's viewing. Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah. What am I gonna do now? Is that okay? Okay. The New York is open, and we are waiting for market to close above this resistance so that we will be looking for potential buys, and buys will be up till here. This is our resistance and we have almost 100 pips. So yes, if the candle closes above this and stays still here and it is not that extended, I'll be very happy to take a buy because we are rejecting from 4 hour support, 1 hour support, 30 minute support. So I could have taken, you this is engulfing 30 minute engulfing, which could have been, yeah, my stop loss if I took a buy over here. because and my stop loss would be about 58, 60 pips. Yeah, no. And how many pips we would have got? Almost 90 pips by now. So yeah, but okay, that's the story of yesterday now. Like it's been past now. So we'll be looking for next market at price action of what the market's about to do. And yeah, that was the only trade I did yesterday. I did not did any trade after that, although I had many confirmations, but I couldn't do that. Yeah, I don't think so what market's gonna do. The 3 minute left for this candle to close, and the market is just jumping around under this. I have to take water intake a lot because when I speak a lot, I have to drink water because my throat gets just dry up. So yeah, and let's see okay, what the Google Chrome, what the Google Chrome is doing. Yeah, what the Google Chrome is doing. Let's see what the Google Chrome and okay, Forex Factory. Forex Factory is what we'll look for today. Tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and on Wednesday it is gonna be FOMC. Today we don't have such a big news. Iran and Mark seek agreement on Hormuz and bid to jumpstart peace. Okay. These I don't care anymore about these Iran and US conflict anymore. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, okay. You are there. Thank you. So yeah, so it's I don't need it, man. Okay, let's get back to the chart because it's 1 minute left for the candle to close, and I don't think that the candle is gonna close above the for anyone who's doing support and resistance. They have uh, a big, they have a supply somewhere over here. This is supply, and they'll be waiting for supply to be tapped in, and I'm waiting for the run towards the supply. And like I said, market didn't didn't do what I expected it to do. Yeah, it's bad. The candle is so awful that it did not created any lower wick, and it didn't close above the resistance, and it's just hanging in tender. And now we are going to have volume because the New York NYSC is about to open. So that's why. Um, 30 minute. What the 30 minutes thing? Okay, yeah. The 30 minute has a resist support or somewhere over here if it creates. I don't think so. It's gonna create any support, or if it does, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen because you see, the price action is not what I expected to happen. Yeah. Yeah, forget it. I was trying to do something, but it's not helping at the moment. I don't know what's wrong with it. I just wanna. Okay, so yeah, we are going to have another candle in just 10 minutes now. Yeah, yeah. Now 10 minutes. There's nothing much happening at the moment in the market. So yeah. Although the London did gave a big move after all the dog shit. I had a support over here and it just closed on the support and then it stayed the whole time over here and in the last minute it came down and I was like what the hell, and then it did not even give the opportunity to make an upper wick and started going down. That was so bad. Okay, now this candle is trying to go up and didn't break the low of the previous candle, and I hope so it's gonna break the high of the previous candle that makes us to go bullish rather than going bearish from here. Although this is a good uh, rod block, but still I think so it is going down because the 4 hour is going because this is a big rejection from the 4 hours. You see, um, 1 hour. 1 hour it is rejecting, yeah, it is having a big rejection from the 4 hour. 1 hour as well. On 1 hour it's just going out and it's going up till here. On 30 minute it's 30. Tiggly. Yeah. 30 minute is about to, yeah. I don't know, man. You see, uh, nah, you have the support over here. This whole area is no go zone, baby, no go zone. Very bad, very bad, very bad, very bad, very bad. You see, this candle has broke the high of the previous candle. That means it is going up. But we need to have the confirmation it should close above this resistance in 8 minutes. Before 8 minutes, it shouldn't cross this line because if this crosses this line and it created a big 30 pips, I don't want to lose this 30 pips, you know. Although 5 minutes, 5 minutes haven't closed even over here. Yeah, you know. Forget it. Okay. So yeah, we will. We will wait for this candle to close above this resistance so that we can have our confirmation to take the trade. Before that, no, we ain't gonna do that. Yeah, no, baby. Not at all. Not at all. It's at all. Not at all. You're gonna kill the gems. It's at all. Not at all. I broke my phone. I didn't. Mm, mm. Yeah, yeah. Now it's 6 minutes. Let's see what the 5 minutes are doing. 5 minutes are fighting, fighting. 5 minutes of fighting to close about this. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be whistling. I'm in the office. I have some. I should have some decorum of the office. So yeah, nothing much happening at the moment. Only if we see any closure above this resistance, then we will look for buys and buys. Buy, buy. And if we close above this resistance, you know where we're going? Yeah. Higher high, higher low. Oh, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is lower low. This is lower high. Now this is lower low. Now this is lower high. And this is lower low. Let's see. Let's see what the market's gonna do. Let's see the market's gonna do. Let's see the market's gonna do. Yeah, the market's yeah, it's lost 5 minutes, man. Let's see what the 5 minutes done. 5 minutes. Oh yeah. Nah. The 5 minute ain't gonna give you 5 minutes ain't gonna give you what you want, baby. You want it's lost 5 minutes, and the 30-minute candle is about to close as well. And we have a closure over here, and the 30-minute candle then starts pushing up without. We're gonna have a buy. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. We will just wait for our setup to form. This is a strong rejection over here. The market's just created a lower high, and it created a lower low. Now it's creating a yeah lower high, and now it's creating a lower low. I think so because it created a resistance on a downtrend. Mm. And I think so. I think so. I think so that the New York is going to continue that uh, the supply of this selling. And tomorrow is FOMC, so we'll see a big move up till. Hmm. Yeah, market. Its new candle is about to print in 2 minutes, and it broke the high of the previous candle. It went near to the low of the previous candle. It did not broke the low. It went up and break the high. It did broke the high of the previous candle, and now it's getting coming down. Wow, what what a piece of what a piece of nuts is this? Wow. Okay, it did broke the low of this candle. Wow, and it's 1 minute now. It rejected a big one. Wow, there is no chance we're gonna take any trade. This candle starts breaking low of 30 minute of this candle, I'll take 0.25. Wow, such a bad market action right now. Price action. I can't I can't jump in the pool. If this candle breaks the low of this its own low, then I might take and then I might take a sell from there. And yeah, let's see what the 5 minute is doing. The 5 minute is consolidating. It did not close above, and 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Wow. Sometimes you cannot just jump in. It's not sometimes, it's most of the time that you need to wait unless your setup is formed, you don't jump in it. Just because it's the high volatility time, we cannot trust anything, you know. Candle is trying to go up, but it's not going up. It is coming down. Wow, I like that. Market tests you a lot. Market doesn't give you anything for easy. You can't just sit in front of the market and just, okay, yeah, we're gonna take a trade. This doesn't happen. You need to wait. You need to see. Sometimes it frustrates you. It it takes your stamina for how much can you wait for your setup to form, and that is very crucial. That is very, very crucial. You need to wait. If you don't wait, you lose. If you wait, you might win. It's a 50-50 chance, and it's gonna now the candle's gonna break the high of this current candle. That means it's not gonna go down. It's gonna go up. This is what I've learned. If this candle breaks the high of this candle, no, baby, this ain't going down. It go up, and I think so. And I think so. It's gonna break the high of this candle, and it won't go down then. If it breaks the high, it isn't. It hasn't broken the high of this candle yet. If it did, it will go up. You see, it hasn't. It hasn't broken the high of the current candle yet. It's rejecting now. You see, the market is just consolidating, and after consolidation you have a big move, and you catch that move. You see, I want to take a sell here because this is a very good sell opportunity. Yeah, I it's a good sell opportunity. It's impulse buy, it's impulse sell. It's gonna go down. Yeah, 30 pips. That's what I saw coming. But I didn't jump in, I don't lie, because I'm not sure. Because this is my no-go area. You have roadblocks, roadblocks. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. You can't jump in like you had a dog. You know, you can't jump in. But bad. It's a rejection. You see. We still have 8 minutes, 7 minutes for the next candle to print. And this candle, you know what I think? It will fill this whole gap in this time. Yeah. I was sure that if this candle breaks the low of this candle, we'll go down till here and it will keep going down till 4,000. But I didn't took any trade. 'Cause I could have jumped in and secured 60 pips by now. Wow. Wow. Wait a minute. Who are you? We have 50 pips. We already took 60 now. So bad. This is the rejection I was looking for, but this rejection will be taken. This rejection will be taken. Yes, this rejection will be taken. This was a no-go area for me, but on 30 minutes it was a clean rain. Although we have these rejections, that's why I didn't want to jump in, but I might jump in after this. Wow, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Ooh, you see? How many pips? 55. Wow, let's keep going down. I could have taken an impulse entry for sell and I could have got almost 72. Wow, it was a high time. It was a high time. Wow. 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 A big rejection in the last 3 minutes. How cool is that? You see, you have a rejection on the last 3 minutes. It's not a rejection. It was a correction. I would have secured 80 pips. Let that run this run, make it break even. Okay. How cool was that? On 1 hour. Let's see, 1 hour is breaking below this strong support. But I don't think so it's gonna break. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Nothing happening at the moment. The 30-minute was a confirmation. Yeah, it was rejected. We went up, created up a wick, and we could have gone down from here, taken almost 75 pips, which is not bad at all. Not even this. Wow. But shit happens, you know. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. It's going up. Demand zone. Demand zone. This is the demand zone for 5 minutes. We're doing for supply and demand. This is a good demand zone. So because 50 body is 37, which is short, short, short body. How much is it up a week? Oh, sorry. It's gonna go down. I know that. And I can't do anything. What was gonna do? Someone's watching. someone's watching. You silent observer. What are you doing? You silent observer. Oh, oh, it is rejecting. Yeah, it is going up in 10 minutes to go. Last 10 minutes for this hourly candle to close, and I think so it will close somewhere over here because it's the 1 hour support over here, which is rejected again from here. Something went in my eye, I don't know what it is. Something, I don't know. No trade at the moment. No freaking trade at the moment. Yeah, it's going up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. What did the 5 minute do? 5 minutes just created a lower wick and okay. Hmm. 30. Ah, it's going now. I still have 9 minutes to go for the hourly candle to close. And let's see what happened. Because the hourly candle just broke below the previous candle and it did not broke above the last candle. Yeah, yeah. Market. Hi, market. What happened? What did I do? I didn't even did something. Wow. Twisted Pro scalper. I don't know what happened to my MT5. MT5 actually. I don't know what the market's gonna do. We're still waiting. We're still waiting for the market to turn itself. So, uh, last 4 minutes for this candle to close. Let's see what these 4 minutes source for us, and then we will see what the market's gonna do. As the market's not gonna print anything, we're not gonna jump in a trade because that's not what we want. Let's see what 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is gonna close somewhere over here, somewhere around 40.23. If it's just going to create a support on 1 hour. That's why I did not jump in this pool because this whole area was having roadblocks, traffic was there. So this was a big rejection, as I said. 2023. Yeah, this is where I think so the market's gonna close. if it's gonna create a support. If it's not gonna create a support, then it will might close more bearish. Last 3 minutes, nothing much. I'm all the way up. Nothing inside me. I'm all the way up. Okay, the 1 hour, last 2 minutes. Let's see what the last 2 minutes are doing. Last 1 minute for the candle to close. Yeah, I don't know whether it's gonna create 42, 40, 40, 22, 40, 23. I'm not sure. But if it closes below this, I mean it's gonna go down. Last minute, last minute, last minute, and last minute is about to jump. Yeah, it is going down. Okay, it's 10 o'clock in New York. These 15 minutes are very, very important. This this will this will determine are we gonna take any trade or not. This will tell us because uh, either it will engulf this candle, the previous, or it will break below this. A short scalp. Wow. Actually, the London did its move. Asia, Asia was Yeah, so Asia, yeah. I don't know what happens. Something's gonna happen. I don't know. Nobody's know what's gonna happen. Very strange. I said very strange. 1 hour is just 3 o'clock when you support is just standing in those days. Everybody I'll be looking for buys from here, from here, and put myself from here, put it on, I don't know, I don't honestly don't know what's gonna happen next. But I think that the market is, yeah. The market is going up and it's going up fast because we had our support over here. Yeah, support going up from the support, 30-minute support, 15-minute support. Yeah. A friend of mine just took a trade from here and is having 70 pips running. Yeah, it's good. It's good, man. That's nice. I wasn't a support. We still have lots of minutes to go. He said I have a strong reason for this trade, and I can tell you on. Well, well. 15 minutes. Sometimes you do need. Um, yeah, I could have taken a trade over here as well because um, this was a strong support and it closed on support, started going up from the support. I would even have taken a trade. I think so. We will expect a selling opportunity, but the market, yeah, it is breaking the support. If this stays like this and does not extend more, I think so, but it will extend. This is a shitty ass. Okay, so that's it. I guess this is up for today, and there wasn't any chance. I could have taken a trade based on this scenario. We had this rejection, and we could have taken a trade from here, and we could have taken 80 pips, which is a good thing. And but it didn't happen as we thought. So I think so. If this closes like this, then I might be looking for a sell, but I don't think so. This is a perfect time for taking a sell because 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 I don't know why, but I just have this instinct of, yeah, this freaking candle is okay. Fuck you, candle. Sorry, my bad, my bad. But um, see you tomorrow. There wasn't a there wasn't anything today. Every day is not a good day. So let's see you tomorrow with the same instincts. Bye bye. I